Good morning, students. I am your English teacher Irshad. Today I have to teach you a poem titled Trees. Actually, this is a very nice poem, and through this very poem, author has some purpose. Means this world is full of natural beauty, and in this very world, trees are a special gift for we human being and also for animals, for every living beings and also for non-living beings, because trees are helpful for us in many ways, and from trees we get different varieties of things. So here in this very poem, the advantages of the trees have been mentioned, that in how many ways this tree is helpful for us. Some advantages have been mentioned here. So now just come to the explanation of this very poem. But before coming to the explanation, just see this very poem. The lines of the poem are like this: trees are for birds, trees are for children, trees are to make tree house in, trees are to swings on, trees are for the wind to blow through, trees are to hide behind in hide and seek, trees are to have tea parties under, trees are for kites to get caught in, trees are to make cool shade in summer, trees are to make no shade in winter, trees are for apples to grow on and pears, trees are to chop down and call timber, trees make mothers say what a lovely picture to paint, trees make fathers say what a lot of leaves to rake this fall. And actually here the poems are in the form of the poem is in the form of lines, and if we want to get the simple meaning of this poem, then it is like this: trees are for birds, means especially this tree is for birds, trees are for children, and trees are helpful for the children because children play climbing on the tree and also sometimes under the branch of the tree. Trees are to make tree houses in, and also we make the house on the branch of the tree, also sometimes under the tree. Trees are to swings on, and children they swing making a swing on the branch of the tree, means after tying a rope to the branch, children swing. Trees are for the wind to blow through, and also we get cool air from the tree because the air is the life giving element for the human being and also for every living beings in this nature. Trees are to hide behind in hide and seek, and children used to play a game titled hide and seek under or beside the trees. Trees are to have tea parties under, and also we people arrange tea party under the shade of the tree, under the branch of the tree. Trees are for kites to get caught in, and when we fly kites, then sometimes the kites are caught by the tree. Trees are to make cool shade in summer. In summer season, when we fed up due to the presence of very hot sun ray, then we get shade under the branch of the tree. Trees are to make no shade in winter, and in the winter season we people get direct sunlight from the sun through the branch of the tree, because in the winter season the leaves of the tree fall down. Trees are for apples to grow on and pears, and also from trees we get fruits like apples and like pears, and so many varieties of fruits we get from the trees. Trees are to chop down and call timber, and also from the tree we people get wood for the purpose of making furniture, making chair, making different varieties of useful things. Trees make mother say, what a lovely picture to paint. And when children make the picture of the tree, when children paint the picture of the tree on the piece of paper, then mother say to children that really you have painted a very nice picture of the tree. Trees make father say, what a lot of leaves to rake this fall. And also father used to say that leaves are falling from the tree very fast or very slow, or a large amount of leaves are falling from the tree. Falling from the tree, it is said by the father. So now comes